Welcome to Tonex Training. Learn about MBSE Training, MBSE Course, MBSE Seminar, MBSE Education, MBSE Classes.
Model-based systems engineering, MBSE, training courses introduce you to the notions and philosophies behind model-based system engineering. They also review the tools, models, and requirements associated with MBSE in various fields. What is MBSE? The notion and philosophy that backs up MBSE came from the need to create a means to facilitate analyzing and understanding complex systems via modeling. Modeling allows you to clarify the requirements, design, evaluation, verification, and validation activities associated with a system being studied. MBSE can be applied in any stage of the developing a system from the conceptual design, through development, and to entire life cycle phases. Model-based systems engineering essentially demonstrates a process of thinking. It offers a framework to allow the systems engineering personnel to be productive and reliable during the entire process. Why should you choose Tonex for your MBSE training? Our instructors have extensive experience in MBSE in both aspects of academia and industry. Training courses encompass both theoretical and practical material. The practical section of the courses include labs, individual, group activities, and hands-on workshops. The topics for the practical activities are chosen from the real-world scenarios and case studies. Once you participate our courses once, you become our clients permanently, meaning we will be there if you need our help even if the course is over. What are the MBSE process specifications? Applicable to any system or system of systems. It is not mandatory, but highly recommended and encouraged to apply. Applicable in very specific and precise performances. Scalable to the projects with more than 100 engineers. Flexible to be used for agile plus lean techniques. Needs to be precisely targeting a certain industry. MBSE course name. Advanced SysML Training, Creating SysML Models, 3 days. ArchImate Training, 1 day. BPMN Training, Business Process Management Notation Training, 3 days. Hands-on MBSE Training, Creating SysML Models Workshop, 3 days. MBSE Training Crash Course, 4 days. MBSE Training Model-Based Systems Engineering Training, 3 days. Model-Based Requirements Engineering MBRE, 4 days. Requirements Engineering Workshop with Use Cases, 3 days. SysML Training Crash Course, 4 days. SysML Training, Systems Modeling Language Training, 3 days. UML Training, Unified Modeling Language Certification, 1 day.
What is system anyways? INCOS refers to a system as the combination of elements constructed or gathered together, produce the results that are not reachable by each individual element, alone. In addition, the elements of a system are connected to each other through defined relationships, in such a way they demonstrate coherency and neat organization. Moreover, the system elements should be arranged in a way that follows a defined objective or goal. In fact, the components of a system should be built in order to accomplish sets of specific tasks with the objective of generating the desired results. The design of the system should illustrate the following characteristics: entities, attributes, relationships. In what language does a system communicate? The system language varies with the system properties mentioned above, the entities, attributes, and relationships. The system language is a critical matter as it describes and shares the system characteristics between the engineers of a team as well as to other stakeholders. The system language enables each system to be presented in a hierarchical approach, which allows demonstrating the system in its subunits. Such subunits are traditionally named subsystems, assemblies, subassemblies, design domains, requirements, functional behavior, architecture, verification and validation. MBSE major elements: language, structure, argumentation, Presentation. MBSE Gears. Functional currents and improved functional flows. And 2. IDEF0. Physical block. Systems engineering solutions. Robust and agile analysis. Requirements definition. Systems verification. End-to-end monitoring. Broad behavioral modeling illustrating control flow, function flow, and interface flow. System simulations. Performance models. Combined model-based. Model-based operational and system architecture. Why do you need MBSE? MBSE enhances the ability to understand, evaluate, communicate, and manage the data associated with the complete definition and specification of a product. Improved communication among the stakeholders. Enhanced ability to manage the system complication by modeling the system to be viewed from different points, and to analyze the impact of changes. Higher quality by delivering a sharp and precise model of the system that can be evaluated for coherency, properness, and wholeness. Enhanced methods of gathering and reusing information by getting information in more organized approaches and empowering built-in concept mechanisms inherent in model-driven approaches. Improved ability to train the systems engineering fundamentals by demonstrating a sharp vision of the ideas behind.
Register now for Tonex Model-Based Systems Engineering, MBSE, training courses, Introduction to Model-Based Systems Engineering, MBSE, and SysML, taught by industry's leading systems engineering, MBSE and SysML thought leaders. Tonex courses conclude with group discussion topics, hands-on activities, case studies and labs designed to facilitate MBSE learning to attendees. Learn what MBSE is, and how it compares to traditional SE. A deeper look at the overall benefits of systems engineering, MBSE and SysML and adoption of these technologies in the industry. SysML coverage and how it supports MBSE. Learn how MBSE methods and models are used to plan, specify and design systems and systems of systems, SOS. Learn how organizations can benefit and transition methods to MBSE. Model-Based Systems Engineering, MBSE, training courses.